la la la. To your massage. Tonight I'm gonna feel alive, and no one won't be acting nice.
Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. I am fine, guys. Thank you for tuning in. So today I'm installing a wig, and this wig is from Anicekiss Hair. Guys, I'm disappointed the way this thing came. Really, some of these shipping companies, they are just something else. Look at how they destroy this. They just fold this like this. See this? How can you destroy this beautiful packaging? Okay, they just fold it like this and put it inside this bag. And this is from Feathers. I don't know if it is Feathers that did this. Whoever that did this is so nasty. This is not good at all. You have to respect her, okay? Respect her. How can you do this? Anyway, let's just forget about that and move on to this tutorial. There are some goodies that came with the hair. There's a scarf, Anicekiss hair. Okay, that is good. Ooh. And also there is a cap wig. This cap wig is good for crochet braids. Okay, if you want to do crochet braids, you use this, not to install your wig. This is the wig. Okay, this wig is body wave and it's 4x4. Oh la la, if you see the inside of the carpet, 4x4 and it's body wave. Look at this. Wow, how many inches is this one? I can't really tell the inches, but I'm going to check and put it on the screen for you guys to see the length, the cap size, everything will be on the screen and on the description box. So it's 4x4. This lace looks so soft, but not bleached. Okay, and they twist it little. See, you can see this. Just little twisting they did to it. Inside there are some combs. Okay, by the side, at the back, and inbuilt adjustable strap. So those are just the things that came with it. About the hair, there is no smell good. It's very soft. So the back construction, there's no lace at the back, just a comb at the back. You guys can see just this comb at the back. And you need to bleach this, but you guys know how we do it. I'm going to use airbrush lens on it. I'll spray it on it, and that's all. So guys, this is it on. You can see.
I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across.
So I'm going to I don't know what's inside my eye. Okay, I'm going to do side part. It came center. Okay, all right, came center part. Should I leave a center part, or I should do C part? Maybe we should do C part. Yeah, I think C part will be good instead of center.
I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to.
So to do my part, I'm going to put it on my mannequin head. So I'm going to create the part here. Will this be possible?
I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about their feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginning. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'm on my way now.
So I'm going to open the part. I was able to quickly too. Okay. So let me open the part. I did not glue it down, in case if you're wondering.
So complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
See, I did not glue it down, so I just did it like that.
I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
So I'll spray this just to make. I really like the texture of this hair. The texture is so good, and you can see the way it takes coils. Wow.
I am on my way. I am on my way.
So guys, that is it. I will see you guys in my next one. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. Gorgeous, please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. If you like this hair review, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Ciao. Ciao. Mwah.